I'm a Swede myself, and I'm very proud of some of the collections that we've had and had with us for a very long time. We have two brands here. We have Kosta Boda, a Swedish crystal company, was founded in 1742. And then we also have Orifors, which is another Swedish heritage crystal brand founded in 1898. So we're celebrating 125 years this year, and we've been in the US for 100 years. We have glassblowers that are part of our operation that's been within their family, glassblowers for 7 generations. With Kosta Boda, you're going to see a lot of color. It's got a lot of sparks. It's going to be a lot of unique looking pieces. When you look at Orifors, it's going to be a little bit more of that traditional Scandinavian minimalistic look to it. We'll also see a lot more of the stemware and barware that we're well known for. We have one product that we call the Snowball. The Snowball celebrates 50 years with us this year, and we've sold over 15 million of them. We're very proud of the Snowball collection. It's designed by Gunnar Saran. It consists of a wine and beer glass, a champagne flute, martini glass, and then also decanter. There is something for everyone, and I think that is the beauty of both brands. It doesn't really matter what your budget is. It's more about your expression, what you like, and then there we have a product for everyone.
We started Zurich 2 years ago. We're based in Montreal. We built our brand on a mission of showing that a circular business can happen. So my partner and I, we connected the dots with our abilities. We wanted to build a brand that doesn't create more waste and show that we can keep reusing that waste, which is plastic. Actually, this is all made from PLA, which is a biodegradable plastic that we recycle, then make it into filament, and then we 3D print. We can make everything to order, create very unique designs, and have very low waste. So when whoever has a Cirque product in their home, they can ship it to us at any time in their life so that we can recycle it and make it into something else instead of sending it back to the landfills. I think that any brand needs to get out there, get exposure, see what other people are doing. I was overwhelmed to see the amount of people that are showing everything that's happening here. You can walk around, see what people are doing, get inspired, meet people. Even if you're, as a young designer, that you're shy that, oh, your idea is gonna get stolen or whatever, you shouldn't. You're like, everybody's nourishing from everybody, and if you have something unique,